Sometimes when we're traveling and depending on where we're staying, we have trouble finding things to eat. Today, we're gonna put our cooking skills to the test, right?
Yeah.
He loves cooking.
Yes.
You're a really good chef when it comes to toast and macaroni and cheese.
We're gonna compete to see who can make the best food in a pinch. It's 2 rules. One item has to come from the camp store. Second rule is we only have $10 a piece to spend. That's everything.
I can do that. And we have a very special judge that will be judging our dishes, but he does have a list of food aversions, I guess you could say. So we're gonna prepare a smaller dish for our judge as well as the full size for us that we would eat.
Yeah.
So, okay.
This will be fun. Let's do it.
We're heading over to the camp store. A lot of these resorts have camp stores and we can get a few groceries there. We're gonna go and see what we can find for our one ingredient that must come from the camp store and get some inspiration for what we'll make.
Maybe they have a whole pack of macaroni and cheese and that's my meal. And that's it.
Camp store, our house. The RV park had eggs, so I am going to do a rice bowl, which is something I do quite frequently. So I'm gonna do a black bean and rice and maybe a cashew glaze, and I think that would all be under $10.
I picked up mayonnaise. I'm gonna make a chickpea sandwich. Real simple. So bread, mayonnaise, chickpeas, maybe some relish. That should keep it under $10.
We are staying in this amazing campsite in Petoskey right now. Our Airstream is over there, but they also have this adorable coach house with a kitchen. So this is where I'm gonna be cooking my meal with all this extra space. Let's make that rice bowl. First, start off with 2 eggs over medium, 1 diced avocado, half a lime, 1 can of black beans, 2 tablespoons of sriracha and teriyaki sauce, and a half a cup of raw cashews. To make your sauce, add your raw cashews along with sriracha and teriyaki and about a half a cup of water into a high-powered blender and blend until it looks something like this. Then you're gonna wanna steam that rice. About 3/4 cup of dry rice makes enough rice for 2 people. Now, if making that wasn't easy enough, assembling the bowl is even easier. Just divide rice between 2 bowls, divide your can of black beans, top it with an egg each, avocado, as well as that delicious cashew glaze, and get crazy, add more sriracha too, and a squeeze of lime, and there you have it. This meal comes out to a grand total of $7 or $3.50 per serving. Time to assemble our taste tester's bowl. He requires a tiny amount of rice, exactly 10 black beans, and I'm trying really hard to win him over with a tiny heart-shaped egg on top.
All right, this one's easy. 4 slices of bread, a can of chickpeas, and 2 tablespoons each of both mustard and mayonnaise. Half a lemon. As much tomato as you like, I use a half. Same rules here, I use a 1/4 onion. Just get a mixing bowl, take the can of chickpeas, the chopped up onions, mustard, mayonnaise, a little bit of salt if you like, squeeze a lemon, and just smash it up in the bowl. Now that we made the mix, go ahead and throw it on the bread, and if you like tomato, add that as well. Boom, you're done. This meal comes in at $4.50 or $2.25 per serving. And since our judge has dietary restrictions, I cut up 3 tiny pieces of bread with just chickpea smashed up.
We have finished our bowls for our taste tester. Here we have little tiny chickpea sandwiches. And here we have a rice bowl. This one's the prettiest one, I think. This is the most visually appealing one. I mean, ooh, beautiful. I think he's really gonna like this. I feel like a wedding planner right now.
Taste tester's on his way. I'm not nervous at all.
Okay, we have chickpea sandwiches on your left, rice bowl on the right. Now, let's bring out our taste tester.
Pick mine.
Everyone, meet our 14-year-old toy poodle named Riley.
Chickpeas. Chickpeas.
Oh,
Chickpeas.
no!
Great. Yay.
Yours probably smells more than mine.
Oh wait, he's going for your. Oh, here we
wait.
go.
He left your bowl.
He ditched the
for
bowl.
my bowl. Which do you prefer, sir?
Oh, he's back to the chickpea sandwich.
Okay, he finished yours first. I mean, he's really sampling from each, so I think he's just trying to be fair, you know?
Safe to say we both win.
I think that's a tie.
It's a tie.
Yeah.
The impartial judge of an under $10 meal at a campground.
Yeah, so there you have it. Are you really sad that you lost?
I didn't lose.
Yeah.
At the best, it was a tie
I
for
think
you.
I think you lost. I had more food to eat,
He had
so
the
I
whole
had a
thing.
more bountiful bowl.
He went to the chickpea sandwich first.
Yeah, then he dropped it for mine, but whatever. That is it for our meal challenge. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more fun videos. Even if you didn't like our food, still slap that like button.
And let us know what your go-to on-the-spot meal is, especially when you're out camping. We'd love to hear what you got. See you next time.